Okay. Venus by Abby Caulfield. Did you know that a day on Venus is longer than a year? Venus. This presentation is about the planet Venus. Key points that will be addressed include place in solar system, the size of planet, the appearance, the rotation, the revolution, the planet composition, the atmosphere, and the satellites and rings, and the top 10 facts. Place in solar system. Order from the Sun: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Size of Venus. Size: 6th largest planet, slightly smaller than Earth. Diameter: 12,104 kilometers or 7,521 miles. Mass: 4.87 times 10 to the 24th kilogram, or 85% that of Earth. Volume: 9.2845 billion cubic kilometers. Earth is 1083.21 billion. Density: 5.24 grams per cubic centimeter. Earth is 5.52. Radius: 6,051 kilometers or 3,760 miles. Appearance from the space and if on the planet. Structure: similar to Earth. Core particularly liquid core. Mantle of hat rock surface, thin crust of rock and boulders. Surface is governed by the smooth volcanic plains. Has 2 continents. Rotation: retrograde rotation. Moves in opposite direction than most planets. Moves clockwise from east to west. Venus equator: rotates at 6.52 kilometers per hour. Venus tilted away from the plane of the ecliptic, almost completely upside down. Venus does not experience any seasons. Revolution: orbits the Sun every 247 days. Venus is the closest to circular orbit. Goes from being visible after sunset to being invisible prior to sunrise. When it orbits around the Sun, passes Earth's orbit. Planet composition: it's a rocky crust, thick basaltic rock mantle, and a nickel iron core. No surface water, weak magnetic field, and slow winds. Atmosphere: mainly of carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and traces of the gases, mostly sulfur dioxide. Has thick clouds and temperatures higher than 900 Fahrenheit. I would weigh 125.9 pounds on the planet Venus. Satellites and rings. Venus doesn't have any rings / moons / satellites. Top 10 facts. Russians were the first ones to send a spacecraft to Venus in 1967. Believed was a habitable planet with oceans. Life might not have evolved there, and later moved to Earth. Magnetic field is weaker than Earth. After 8, it returned to the same place in the sky on the same date. Venus is the second planet from the Sun, 6th largest, 465 Celsius and 900 Fahrenheit. Orbit distance: 1,008. I cannot read that number. 108,2009,475 kilometers. Orbit period 2024. 224.70 Earth days. Resources.